guys, it's Larry, and today we are working on a layout for April 23rd through the 29th, and this is going to be beautiful. Here are some of the washies that I might use. Not sure yet. We'll see how it comes together. But here is the artwork, and this is from plannersquad.com, and I will leave a link in the description below. But I wanted to show you this. I think it's called Hello Spring. It is beautiful. I love, love, love these colors. Look at that. So we are going to put this together and see how our layout turns out. Here are the stickers that I printed from that PDF file. I love this weekend, so pretty. I love purple, so, and of course I made my functional stickers for my social media. Those are in there. Spring is in the air. Got some flags, check boxes. Super cute. I love the notes and the washi. And I think that's it. Oh, one more. And date covers. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the date covers or not. They might be a little bit big for my page. I'm not sure. So that's it. So let's get started. Like I said, I've got this washi picked out I might use, and we're just going to see how it all comes together. So sit back, relax, work with me if you'd like. Bring up a planner, your TN, your journal, whatever you like to decorate, and we'll get started. I'm going to put on some music. Give the video a thumbs up if you have fun with me, and let's get going. Okay guys, so this is it. My final layout for April 23rd through the 29th. I hope you like it. I tried to keep a lot of white space, but included my functional into kind of the design by putting those words in there. Added my planning day sticker. I only have one sticker left to add, and I wanted to show that to you live. I've made a couple of copies here because I wasn't sure what size to make. But if you're not familiar, April 25th, Wednesday, is Administrative Professionals Day. And that's a big deal for me because I spent 20 plus years as an executive assistant, administrative professional. So I always like to recognize that day. And I think because it doesn't match a whole lot with the layout, I think I'm going to use the smaller version. And we will put that right here. And this is a super snarky comment. The Administrative Professionals Day, please order flowers for yourself from me. So super cute, very funny. I hope you can see it. It looks like it might be blurry. Is that blurry? There we go. So anyways, wanted to add that in. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, I will have a link below for where I got these free printable planner stickers. Also, don't forget to go to my website. Check out my blog. It's larryslivinlight.com. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And for those who are following me, thank you so much. I appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here with me today. And share any comments in the comment area, questions, tips, if you have ideas or suggestions. And I think that's it, guys. But yeah, check out my website if you haven't already. I have free printables up on my website. They're not full sticker layouts or anything yet, but I do have some functional stuff there. And it's a lot of fun. I've got a lot of blog posts, a lot of information up there, a resource page where you can find more of the printable stickers that I use for free. And I hope to see you there. Join my mailing list or just leave a comment. So guys, thanks for being here with me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye guys.